Hi there, friends and crypto enthusiasts. Mark here with a very special message, something very special that I want to share with you today. So hopefully you're going to stick around till the end of this brief video so you can get all the details. So first, my question to you is, are you ready to discover how Aaron turned 5 Bitcoin into over 600 Bitcoin in 2018? I don't know about you, but I'm certainly ready and looking forward to this. Aaron is going to be holding a couple of webinars. First one is going to be coming up next Tuesday. Now, if you attend this webinar, does that mean you're going to be able to do the same thing? Well, probably not. However, if you're like me and you want to learn how to grow, control, and protect your Bitcoin, then you want to learn from the best of the best. You want to learn from an expert in the field, somebody who's been there and done that. And I can't think of anybody better to learn this from than Aaron, who, as it says right over here, turned 5 Bitcoin into over 600 Bitcoin in 2018. So let's get started. Now, as I mentioned, Aaron is going to be doing some webinars. First one is going to be this coming Tuesday, which is January 22nd, and it's going to take you through the exact process that Aaron used to become a millionaire so fast using Unifii's resources. In part one, Aaron is going to be covering the tools he leveraged, the skill sets he developed and refined, as well as the foundational personal growth. Very important, personal growth has to be part of this equation that had to occur for Aaron to even be able to grow his Bitcoin. Now, in part two, Aaron will be doing a bi-weekly training on how to learn, refine, and leverage, as he discusses in part one, with a bonus PDF training and spreadsheet for applying, refining, and tracking your results. Now, the dates for the training webinars will be announced on part one of that webinar on Tuesday, which is January 22nd. And here it is. So part one, there are going to be 2 times. So if you can't attend the first one, maybe you can attend the second one. With the 2 time frames, it should be something that will accommodate most people globally around the world. If for some reason you can't attend live, reach out to me, and if you want a replay, a link to a replay, I can certainly get that to you. If you're watching this on YouTube, somewhere underneath the video you're going to find my contact information so you can reach out to me. And what you're going to want to do is also reach out to me and ask me for a link to the webinar. And once you register for the webinar, if you can't attend live, I will be able to send you a replay link. Also, if you're watching this maybe on social media, somewhere in the social media post, you'll find my contact information as well. So on the part one, there are 2 times. Tuesday, January 22nd is the first webinar, 2 different time slots, 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For people that can't attend live at that time, he's got one the same day, Tuesday, January 22nd, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, when Aaron first started, this is just a little bit of background with Aaron. When he first started with Unifii, he had 5 Bitcoin to his name. He didn't want to send it to an organization who promised to grow it for him. You might not see your Bitcoin again if you do that. Many of you that are watching this have possibly been in that situation. I know I have. Many of my team members have. And believe me, we learn from our mistakes. Now, this time, Aaron wanted to learn how to grow it himself. Smart move, Aaron. Unifii gave him the tools, and in 2018, without reading charts and with very little time invested, he grew his Bitcoin from 5 Bitcoin to over 600 Bitcoin, and it's still growing today, as we speak, thanks to the power of compounding. Now, if you don't have 5 Bitcoin to start with, and not everybody does, you can start small. Compounding builds with time, and it builds fast, even if you're starting with a fraction of a Bitcoin. Now, if you watch video 2, and this is in our wealth building crash course, if you don't have that and you want to get access to that, again, if you're watching this on YouTube, underneath the YouTube video, you're going to see a link that's going to take you to the wealth building course. And again, if you're watching this on social media, in the post and social media post, you're going to find that link to the wealth building crash course. You can just grab it and you can go through it. And it's also going to give you a lot of insight into the different wealth principles that Aaron has employed in order to build his Bitcoin to the point where he has. And if you watch video 2, you're going to watch a penny grow into over $5 million in 30 days through compounding. And again, that's the power of compounding. You don't need to start with 5 Bitcoin just because Aaron did. But you do need to start compounding your money no matter where you're starting from. Now, it's safe and it's simple. This is all incredibly simple, and your Bitcoin never leaves your control, and that's another very, very key point. That's the key to this. That's why it's safe, and it takes minutes a day with some of the products. One of the products literally takes minutes or less a month. If you're short on time and need something ridiculously easy, ask me about the universal signal. Now, if you don't want to trade Bitcoin, that's fine, because we have a new Forex product, and that'll grow your money. And you can grow your money using the Forex product. Now, again, in the Wealth Building Crash Course, video 4, if you missed that, that'll give you the complete product suite review, including the Forex product. And again, you can find that under the YouTube video, or certainly in my social media post. Now, the economy is headed for a recession. Whatever you do, don't keep your head in the sand when it comes to growing your money. Many experts predict a serious recession is coming. You can make money on it instead of being a victim to it. But you need to be wise. Unifii teaches you what to do to grow and protect your money, not just with Bitcoin, but in many ways. So what you need to do now, what I suggest very strongly that you do, is again, you'll find my contact information under the YouTube video or in the social media post. Reach out to me, request the link to Aaron's webinar, and see exactly how he did so well with Unifii's tools. It's incredible what we have a hold of here, and all you have to do is look. No obligation. Now, if you don't think you're smart enough, think again. You are with simple tools like we have here with Unifii. So request the webinar, have Aaron walk you through exactly how he used Unifii to become a millionaire in 2018, trading Bitcoin on his own using Unifii's signals. So that's the end of the video. Hopefully you got some value out of it. Hopefully you're going to reach out to me and you're going to get the link to the webinar. I'm sure it's going to be one that you're going to get a tremendous amount of value from. And I know for one thing, I'm going to be on there and I can't wait. I'm really looking forward to it. Like I said, you want to learn from an expert, and Aaron is one of the best. And certainly he's going to share his secrets, which is not something most people will do. So hopefully you're going to be there, and we'll see you on the webinar. Take care now.